can't believe it. Godzilla has made his way into Singapore Comic Con! Alright, let the photo taking session begin! Now, if you want to take a picture with the King of Monsters, Godzilla, you can kindly start joining the queue at the right hand side of this meet and greet area. Do note though that you will need As you can see, Godzilla is really big, so sometimes he loses his balance. Please don't mind him. Once again, everybody, if you would like to take a picture with Godzilla, please join the queue at the right-hand side of this meet and greet area. Please make sure that you do have your meet and greet tickets, which you can redeem from the cashier after you've made a minimum purchase of $60 or above. And if you came to Singapore Comic Con yesterday, that's okay as well. If you made a minimum purchase of $60 and above, you can still take a picture with Godzilla.